today and yesterday. Today I bring. Yesterday I brought. Today I buy. Yesterday I bought. Today I catch. Yesterday I caught. Today I fight. Yesterday I fought. Today I teach. Yesterday I taught. Today I build. Yesterday I built. Today I feel. Yesterday I felt. Today I keep. Yesterday I kept. Today I spend. Yesterday I spent. Today I sleep. Yesterday, tell me in the comment. See you on the next video.